Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be factorizing and solving for x on a cubic function. So first of all, we're going to look at the function, see what we have. So we have a 3-degree function. First of all, we're going to find for x that makes fx equals to 0. So here we see that if x is equals to 1, f of x is definitely equal to 0. As you can see there, when when x is equals to 1, 1 cubic is 1, 1 and the power of 2 is 1, 1, and gives us 0. Therefore, we can conclude that x equals to 1 is a root. So we have that. And then we start like this, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, those are a lot of things there. But if you're a mathematician, you will understand what is going on there. So I'm just going to give you a couple of minutes to try to figure out what is going on there. And there's a little motivation here that says use your brain. But it's quite basic actually. As you can see, this is quite obvious, because I mean this times that must give me that, and this times that must give me this. Therefore that we see over here, -1 is this -1 over here. -1 times the block must give me -3. The block therefore is equals to 3, because 3 times -1 is -3, which is that -3 over there. And once we're done with that, we look at this, we try to find the middle term, which is actually the most complicated one of the two, because these two are basic. To get this and that, it's basic. To get this, but we know that it will be an x, obviously, because we're dealing with x's. If there were a's all over the place here, we'd have an a here. But then now we have to find the sign and the integer. Therefore, to get that, we will go right here. We're going to say, since we know now how to get the 3rd degree, we're going to find out figure out a way to get this 2nd degree term. We know that this times that is going to give us -x squared. And we have to get this positive x squared over there. Here's it. So we're going to say this plus or minus must give me that x squared. I'm sure by now you already know that this must be a plus something. That something is 2x squared. Why? Because 2x squared minus x squared is equals to x squared, which is that one over there. Therefore, I must get this from x minus 1. No, but actually in the x minus 1 I must get this times that. This plus or minus that must give me that. So here x times what must give me 2x squared. Therefore that is equals to 2x. I'm just going to give you a moment so you can understand what is going on there, because I know at first when you explain it, it's not as easy to understand it. So I'm going to let you use your brain power to get this. Give yourself time to unleash your potential. Okay, let's continue. Now we have this function. we have figured out that this has no real solution. How did we find out this? We tried to factorize this, we failed. And then we decided to test if it's a decimal solution by using a part of the quadratic formula, and this is b squared minus 4ac equals to -8. Square root of -8, we know that that's not real, therefore there's no real solution for that. So this means that this cubic function cuts the x's once. Therefore f of x has only one solution, x equals to 1. So the ultimate factorized expression is this. Good luck with your exams. I'm done. Gift Mululi.